you're doing fantastic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana to the family. If you are my day one, thank you for always supporting me. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how you can downsize your trousers using your hand stitches. You don't necessarily need a machine. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and I don't want to talk too much, so let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, so we are going to be working on this trouser and this red one. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your pins, a tape measure. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it, but watch it careful. Then I'm going to be using this thread for this material, alafu the red one I'll be using this. Guys, I need to get a ruler. Yeah, then you need a ruler, a chalk, and basically that's it. Put on your trouser inside out. Then you want to see how tight you want your trouser to be. Then you are going to take your pin. My pins weren't going through the waistband, so I had to take my peg and just peg where I wanted my stitches to go through. After that, I took my chalk and just marked everything. This is essential when it comes to stitching, because after we are done, we are going to chalk the trouser, and this line is going to be our guide. Oh, and guys, for this first trouser, you can see I'm planning to stitch through this back line, and for the red one, I am going to be stitching through the sides. Basically, we're doing the same process, it's just that for one we're doing at the back, and now this one we're going to stitch on the sides. Go in with your pins just to guide you where you are going to stitch. Using the marks that I put using my pegs, I will go in with my pen and just mark everything in. I'm just marking above the pins. For accuracy, I have taken my tape measure and just measured the same on the other side also, and then start marking from there. After that, we are going to go in with our pins and just pin exactly where the mark is, and make sure the fabric is lying flat on both sides, and just basically pin all the way. immediately we are done pinning, we are going to thread our needle, and straight ahead we are going to go and backstitch our trouser following the pins. And guys, make sure the distances between the stitches are equal, and if not equal, make sure they are close to looking similar, because this is going to show on the right side. We are definitely going to do the same thing on the other side. So after we are done, we are going to turn the trouser inside out just to see how the stitches are looking, and you should be having something like this. After we are satisfied with how everything is looking, we are gonna go ahead and cut the excess material, and that's basically it for this trouser. For this second trouser, we are going to do the same thing, but we are doing it on the back line like we marked in the beginning of the video. We are just going to straighten up the fabric and pinning it correctly following the lines that we marked. Then we are going to thread the needle and go ahead and backstitch. After we are satisfied with how everything is looking, we are going to turn the trouser and look at the stitches if they're right. Then go ahead and cut out the excess fabric and we are done. So this is how everything turned out. The fits are better. You can't really tell that we used our hands to stitch the trousers. I mean, look at that. Inakaa tulishona na machine, and I'm happy about how the trousers came out. I really hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.